Hello guys, today I have the Yamaha earbuds and I'm going to show you how to disconnect from them in your Android device. The first thing that you need to do is to open the settings. Once you do that, you need to open here the connections tab. If you are on some other phone than Samsung, you need to tap connected devices. But once you tap connections, tap Bluetooth over here. Here, tap this gear icon near your device and tap disconnect at the bottom of your screen. Bluetooth connection with Yamaha ended. To connect back again, go back and tap your device over here. If you don't really want to tap this gear icon and tap disconnect because it's longer, tap just your device over here. Disconnect, connect. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.